Hey there, this is Ace Mini for Life. So I've been having some issues using a capture card, specifically the Elgato HD60X with my PlayStation 5. I've been having some audio lag, and I figured out a way to work around and how to fix it. So if you can see down on my screen down here, this is what your typical basic setup's going to be. You're going to have your mic, your webcam, screen captures for the purpose of this video, and your capture card. Now originally your capture card's going to have audio on it too, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to set up a separate audio for your capture card. So typically what you're going to do is you're going to go and add a source. We're going to add a source, audio input capture, and I already have it set up as Elgato Audio. You can keep that up there. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to go to your original capture card and you're going to mute it. So you're going to keep that muted and you're going to keep the audio unmuted. And then that should fix your issues. If it does not, drop a comment and we can try to figure out why. Maybe something's messed up here, but it should work. So hopefully that helps, because it helped me a lot, and now I have no audio lag on that. So thank you.